What up guys, I'm back out here, gonna be working on this today. I think I will be the only one at the shop. I'm gonna start by draining the oil and then we're gonna start wrapping this fender. Also, yesterday you guys know that Dustin helped us out with all the lights, but you can probably notice that this bank is not on. Last night after Dustin took off, Michael and I were standing about here and this light right in the middle went like just popped and started fizzing and shut off and then started smoking. So all right, oil change is done. Still gotta throw some oil in it, but we'll take care of that in a moment. But I wanna go ahead and take a minute and throw in these poly subframe bushings. Wow, no. I wanna take a moment and throw in these poly steering rack bushings. Mine had a little bit of play in it. I'm gonna take a minute, throw these in, and then wrap it up, literally. All right, well, I got those bushings in. It was a definite shit show. It is disgusting down there, and I don't even know what from. I must have a power steering leak somewhere. I think I'll have to go ahead and just upgrade all my shit to the stainless steel braided stuff. But the bushings are in, everything's tightened up. So now let's find some bolts to bolt that passenger side fender on. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that. All right, so we got that fender all wrapped up. Everything turned out super good. There's almost no imperfections on this fender at all. I did have a little issue with the vent back there, but I was able to kind of make it work. If you guys didn't know already, Kaylin got into nursing school, which is something she's been fighting for 4 or 5 years. I mean, ever since we met, that's what she's wanted to do. And she's just been, you know, trying to get everything together, to get accepted into a nursing school, which has been proven to be very difficult in the California area. So tomorrow is actually her first day. Now she is gonna be in Reno and she's gonna be commuting. So she's gonna be staying at like a hotel or an Airbnb for the next couple of weeks until her second semester is determined, because there's an issue with the way that her second semester goes. So she's either gonna skip the whole second semester or she'll have that semester off. But once she enters into the third semester, whether it be it's moved forward or she takes that time off, we will probably be moving to Reno or that general area, because I'd really like to go to UNR. I've been working on getting all of that together, and since she'd already be there, it's perfect. With that being said, tonight's her last night in town and she's gonna be off work in about an hour or so. I'm gonna jet out of here so I can spend the last few hours with her, because I'm not gonna get to see her until late Thursday night. You know, I'm gonna miss her. Probably spend a lot of time out here just to keep my mind off of it. So like I said, I'm gonna come out during the week and get some more work done, and we'll just finish up this video then. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up guys, welcome to Tuesday. Today I had a few hours that I didn't have anything going on, so I figured I'd come out and wrap this door up. All right, guys, and one more piece done on the wrap front. Just got a call from Dustin. He's gonna swing by after work. He should be here in about an hour. He's gonna actually fix us up with another light, which will be sick as fuck. Dustin coming in clutch. I gotta button a few things up. I gotta zip up that door handle. Then we're gonna get this wiring harness done. Or we'll see. But first, we need a break.
Hello.
Guess who's about to be at Week Fest San Jose?
I am.
This guy with this car.
Yeah. Start going through and do like the second like cut and buff on the car since I repainted it, and then I got like the sealant stuff with like that ceramic coating stuff, so I can like seal it. It's like a 3-year thing, so I won't scratch anymore. It won't collect dust and bugs and all that shit.
If you guys aren't already following Dustin on Instagram, it's G2 Tag 2. I'll put it right here, just for those of you who can't spell.
Pretty much all there is cars. You won't see a picture of me.
No. All there is this car and one other car. All right, guys. Well, Dustin is obviously still here. You saw him get here, but Michael showed up as well.
Day two.
Like we said, Michael's gonna be out here during the week filming, and so what he's working on now, you guys will actually see next week. I just had to come out and I wanted to get that wrap done. But he needs the camera so that he can film, and all I'm doing is working on wiring and just bullshitting with the guys. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next weekend.
What?
But,